We're higher on the river here than they are in the fields. That's because after the water was drained away, the peaty lands dried up and shrunk. And they had to have pumping stations all over the place to lift the water out of the fields up into the drains and the rivers. If they didn't pump during wet weather, these here farmlands would go back to swamp. And the same would happen if we stopped repairing the banks. That's a special sort of clay we use for this. We dredge it up from the bottom of the river and haul it in barges to where the gangs are at work breasting the banks. That's a slow, heavy job for all on us. We fetch up 2 strings of barges every day and then go back with empties. The other fellas just go on a-filling trucks and heaving the sticky stuff about hour after hour. Some on them have been on this job for 20 years. That's cold, wet, back-aching work, and that's generally miles from anywhere.
There's no doubt about it. These men are the defence forces of the Fens.